Grok 4.5 is now available in Cursor, giving developers another powerful AI coding assistant. But is it actually better than Cloudy or GPT 5.5? Here's what you need to know in under 3 minutes. Intro. Cursor has become one of the most popular AI-powered code editors because it lets you switch between different models for coding. With Grok 4.5 joining the lineup, developers now have another option for writing code, fix bugs, and understanding large projects. But every model has its strengths and weaknesses. What is Grok 4.5 in Cursor? Grok 4.5 is XAI's latest reasoning model integrated directly into Cursor. Inside Cursor, it can generate code from natural language, explain unfamiliar code, debug errors, refactor existing code, help build features across multiple files, answer technical questions without leaving your editor. Like other models in Cursor, it works through the chat panel and can use your project's context to provide more relevant responses. Grok 4.5 versus Cloudy and GPT 5.5. Here's how the three models compare. Grok 4.5, excellent at reasoning through complex programming problems, produces detailed explanations, strong for debugging and algorithm focused tasks, can sometimes generate longer responses than necessary. Cloudy, still one of the best choices for large code bases, excellent at understanding project context, great for refactoring and maintaining clean, readable code, often preferred for long development sessions. GPT 5.5, the most balanced option overall, fast, accurate, and reliable across many programming languages. Excellent for code generation, debugging, documentation, and following complex instructions. Works well for both beginners and experienced developers. Should you use Grok 4.5? If your work involves solving difficult coding problems or understanding complex logic, Grok 4.5 is definitely worth trying. However, if you are working on large production projects, Cloudy remains a top choice for handling big code bases, while GPT 5.5 offers the best all-around coding experience with consistent performance across a wide variety of tasks. Ultimately, the best model depends on the project you are working on. Final verdict. Grok 4.5 is a strong addition to Cursor and gives developers another capable AI coding assistant. While it doesn't clearly replace Cloudy or GPT 5.5 in every scenario, it performs especially well on reasoning heavy programming tasks. The good news, Cursor lets you switch between models, so you can choose the one that fits the job instead of relying on a single AI. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and let us know down below in the comments which AI model you can use most for coding. Thanks for watching and goodbye.